Hello guys, today I'll be teaching on how to remove green screen background using the Adobe Premiere Pro in your PC. So first of all, you open the Premiere Pro app, then you create a new project and your sequence. So this is the project file. You either double click to open the file explorer, so you add your file, your videos, or you just go to the folders. So these the green screen videos I downloaded them from YouTube. So let's use this. So we drag it to the project file, then we also drag let's drag this lady, then let's add probably background sound. Let's just add music. So we come here. Firstly, we need a background for our video, not background sound. So you just drag this to the timeline, or to the timeline, and it will create a sequence automatically. So the next thing you need to do, this my layout is the color layout. You can choose either editing or effects. It's just that I made some adjustments already for my own personal use. So you drag the video to this place. That is the second layer. So this is it here. If you want to scale it, you click the video in the timeline, then you come to the motion here. You either make it to scale it big or scale it small. So let's scale it this way. Now the next thing, let's play it. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to remove the background. So we can either go to the effects. Let's move to the effects. Then now let's add a window. That is the effects window. So we add the effects window and we search for ultra key. Now we click it and we drag it down to the second layer, that is the green screen video. After dragging it, you won't see a change yet, so you need to come over to this effect controls, then we head over to the ultra key here, then we pick the key color that we want and we click it. This is it. Then we see if we still need to make little adjustment. You can just play around with this, but if you go to the extreme, taking it to 100 or 99.0, it won't be clear again. It will become close to transparent. So we just adjust it or leave it in 18. Then the highlights, you can choose to work on the highlights or the low lights. The shadow, the tolerance. So it's okay. So now we export it. We either use the shortcut Control M, or we just go to the file, then we go to the export. Now export media. So the format should be H.264. the preset is high bitrate, but we can choose to adjust it. So let's just leave it in high quality 1080p HD. I don't like this. I need a white screen. It's not showing a white screen format here. So let's just leave it in the adaptive media source. So this will be a white screen. Then now this is the output name. Let's name it green screen Premiere Pro tutorials. Then we click save. Then we can choose to queue it or we choose to export it. Now this is the estimated file size, 610 megabytes. So let me just take it to something little. So it's still giving us 293 megabytes. Let's adjust it to 1080p, but the quality won't be, sorry, to 480p SD wide, but the quality won't be good. So let's just take it back to, let's take it to 720 and just export it. So finally, you can just click or quickly subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of any new videos, and just go to our channel to watch some of our videos. So good, here we have it. Our video has been exported. So we were supposed to make adjustments here just to this, but it's just a rough tutorial. So let's head over to where to be saved. If you go to your PC, you can find it in your documents, then your Adobe, then Premiere Pro. It could be in 12 or 15. So mine is in 12. So maybe it's just a rough sketch. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.